Hi, students! Let's walk through how to make a payment for an invoice in the student portal. It's simple. There are some permissions to keep in mind first. For child account, if your account is linked to a parent account, you'll need approval to make a payment for an invoice. Requests must be made through the parent portal. For individual account, you can make a payment for an invoice directly without needing permission. In the navigation menu on the left side of your dashboard, click on Billing to access your invoices. Next, locate the invoice you want to pay. Look for its unique invoice number and check its payment status to ensure it's unpaid. When you're ready, click the Pay button to start the payment process. A new window will appear prompting you to choose your payment method. There are other payment methods available, depending on your school's setup. Whether it's through credit card, bank transfer, or direct payment, the options may vary. Select your preferred payment option and follow the instructions to complete the payment. If using PayPal, log into your account to process the transaction. After completing the payment, make sure you receive a confirmation message to verify that the payment was successful. You'll also receive an email confirming the transaction. This email will include all the details, so you'll have a record for your reference. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.